Okay, I'm done now, and the reason, the way that I know that I'm done is because I've stopped putting Quikrete behind there. I just got too silly and too tired. So if you actually want to try and use Plan B, and you're wondering how high you put the Quikrete, there is no right answer to that, which makes it exceedingly unlikely that that you'll have it the right height, right? Okay, so we got that going for us. Just one other thing I wanted to point out, here at Plan B Engineering, we're always looking for new techniques and processes, and I spent another 30 minutes or so putting Quikrete in with my dispenser, and I just want to recall you to the previous video, the previous section where I showed how to use this with the funnel and the jar. And I don't know if anyone noticed, in fact I'm not even sure that you can spot it, but if you go back to that video and you kind of look in the upper right hand corner, it took me 30 minutes to notice this, but there happened to be another implement of destruction which turned out to be an even more effective dispenser, primarily because of the difference in size of the the original and then the new innovative prototype here that we used. And I mean, notice there's a little incontinuity here at the top, but if you had maybe one that wasn't deformed, you could do it even faster. But anyway, that just goes to show in Plan B videos, you don't want to miss the parts on the edges, because that could actually save you a lot of time. All right, so now we're going to move on to the next phase of this project, which is the head scratching phase.